Hai teman-teman, nama aku Sonia. Aku dari Sastra Inggris Universitas Pamulang. Di sini aku akan menjelaskan tentang sastra Inggris zaman Elizabeth I. Nah, atau bisa juga disebut dengan Elizabeth period. I hope you enjoy my video. Let's check it out. This period is called the Elizabethan period because at the time England was ruled by the great Queen Elizabeth I. Queen Elizabeth I came to the throne in the 1558 and indeed in 1603. In the previous period, English literature has many rules which must be followed by the artists so they cannot express their feeling freely because of the rules. In the Elizabethan period, these rules have been left out. Therefore, the artists can express their feeling freely without being afraid to break the rules. As the result, there are so many literary works produced in this period. This artist seems to revive after binding by the rules. This period is also known as the Renaissance period, till like 1991 and 40. Firstly, 1991 say that the Renaissance was the transition from the Middle Age of the modern world, an awakening from the darkness of the medieval period to the light and dawn of the modern era. It was also revolt against medieval dogma, against ecclesiastical tradition, against an authority of the church. Again, all the faltered free play intellectual interests and impulses. Again, the prejudice, routine, and stupidity. The main characteristic of Renaissance people are individualistic and tend to scholarism. They have the freedom to express their feeling and also have a strong feeling to find something new. First, 1990 and to say that there are some implication of Renaissance in England. The implication are as follow. One, the Renaissance means rebirth, and the name refers to rebirth of classical, especially Greek learning, after centuries of comparative neglect. Two, it was the birth of the modern world, out of the ashes of the Dark Age, the discovery of the world and this discovery of man, the era of untrammeled individualism in a life, thought, religion, and art. 3. The Renaissance was a challenge of authority, the authority of the church, of the parents, of the rules, regulation in the signless, and revolts against all kind of authority. And 4. The Renaissance implied the perception of the greater beauty and follies in the Greek and Latin scholars. And there are some literary works produced in the Elizabeth period can be seen in the following. And first is poetry. The famous poet in the period is Edmund Spenser, who was born in London in 1533. He finished his study in the Cambridge in 1576 and 1594 he married Elizabeth Boyle and had 4 children. He died in 1599 at the age of 47. His famous poem is The Fairy Queen. Spenser started to write a poem which consists of 12 parts, which every part tells about the adventure of a knight. Spenser can only finish 6 parts from the 12 parts that he planned before. In this poetry, Spenser invests the new stanza, called Spenserian stanza, which consists of 9 lines. The rhyme of this stanza is A, B, A, B, B, A, B, A. Smecto 1974, 15 to 16. And the second, drama. For all literary works, drama is regarded as the greatest literary work in the Elizabeth period. Drama not only teaches the morality, but also portrays the life of people. Every drama tells a problem. Drama can be divided into 2 types, namely classical drama and romantic drama. The main features of the classical drama are the observance of what is called the 3 unities of the employment of the device of the chorus. Prasad 1965, 83 to 84. 1. Unity of time. 2. Unity of place. And 3. Unity of action. The dramatist in Elizabeth period is Christopher Marlowe. He makes 4 dramas which are known as the tragedy of the Marlowe School. This tragedy tells about the tragic hero who is destroyed by his own power. The 4 dramas are Tamburlaine, Faustus, and Jew of Malta, and Edward II. And then we have another famous dramatist in this period is William Shakespeare. He is the great dramatist in the world. Shakespeare was born in Stratford-on-Avon Village in 1564. A. Histories. King Henry VI Part 2, 15 and 90. King Henry VI Part 3, 15 and 90. King Henry VI Part 1, 15 and 91. B. Comedies. Number 1. Comedy of Errors, 15 and 92. Number 2. Timing of the Shrew, 15 and 93. Number 3. Two Gentlemen of Verona, 15 and 94. And Tragedies, Titus Andronicus, 15 and 93. Number 2. Romeo and Juliet, 1594. Number 3. Julius Caesar, 1599 until 16. Poetry. Number 1 is Lover's Complaint, 1592. And number 2, Venus and Adonis, 15 and 93. Number 3, The Rape of Lucrece. How to pronounce? Of Lucrece, 19. It's 15 and 94. And the last conclusion. From all periods, the Elizabethan period is regarded as the greatest development of English literature because it's characterized by an abundance of production in the branch of literature, especially poetry and drama. The literary work of the Elizabethan period are very famous and also can be found until now. It's this period this is the greatest dramatist in the world named William Shakespeare, who has written for some famous drama, namely Julius Caesar, The Merchant of Venice, Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet. Therefore, the Elizabeth period is known as the golden age of English literature. Thank you for all. See you.